Have you ever pondered why you weigh less on the moon than on Earth, despite being the same person with the same amount of stuff in you? The answer lies in the fascinating concepts of mass and weight, which we will unravel today. Start right off with a simple question. What is mass? Well, mass is the amount of matter an object contains. It's a fundamental property of an object, a measure of the amount of stuff in it. You can think of it as the total count of all the tiny particles that make up an object. Whether on Earth, the moon, or floating in the emptiness of space, the mass of an object never changes. It remains constant, unaffected by gravity or any other forces. Now let's shift gears a bit and delve into the concept of weight. You see, weight is a force that comes from the gravity pulling down on any object with mass. It is the effect of gravity on that object. So when you stand on a scale, the reading you see is not your mass, but your weight. Here's an interesting fact. The force of gravity changes depending on where the object is in the universe. That's why astronauts weigh less on the moon than they do on Earth. The moon's gravity is about 1/6 of Earth's gravity. Therefore, if you weigh 60 kilograms on Earth, you would weigh only about 10 kilograms on the moon. But remember, your mass remains the same because you still contain the same amount of matter. So to sum up, mass is the amount of matter in an object and remains constant no matter where the object is in the universe. On the other hand, weight is the force of gravity on an object and can change depending on the location of that object. The weight of an object can be calculated by multiplying its mass by the acceleration due to gravity. Understanding the difference between mass and weight is crucial in physics and many other scientific fields. It helps us understand why we feel lighter on the moon and heavier on Earth. It also explains why we can lift heavier objects underwater. So the next time you step on a scale, remember, it's not just showing you a number, it's demonstrating one of the fundamental principles of physics, the concept of weight and how it's influenced by gravity. And remember, you're not heavier or lighter. You just weigh different amounts at different places. That's the beauty of physics. It's not just about equations and numbers. It's about understanding the world around us and how everything, including us, interacts with it. So keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep learning. Because the more we know, the more we realize how fascinating our universe truly is.